Hello everyone, I am Pawan Shah from TS Motors and today we are standing in front of Topsil Toyota to find out their range of cars. And now let's go inside the showroom and find out their amenities and types of accessories they are providing for their customers. Let's go. So as you can see, they are taking care of this pandemic situation and always sanitizing everything. Now you can see the range of cars. And this is one very interesting thing they are having. This is a screen where you can technically find your car in your own color in an animation. This is really nice. Now this is the Yaris which I'm talking about right now. You can select the car colors and also the interiors. You can see the interiors in 360-degree view. This helps the customers to, fully finalize their cars and to choose it for according to their choice. I am Parambrata Shah from PS Motors and now we are standing in front of the Toyota Yaris. These are the car keys and now you can see that it gets locked, unlock and boot to these options. Let's unlock the car. Now talking about this car gets a beautiful piano black finish radiator grille including the bottom one which is in a shape of flying butterfly and in my opinion this looks stunning. And now talking about the headlamps. These are a combination of halogen bulbs and projector headlamps. And the fog lamps are also in halogen bulbs, including the indicators. This is the beautiful Toyota emblem in chrome. And these chromes are well integrated with the headlamps, which looks stunning. When you see, it will appear to be a continuous stretch of chrome line, which is a perfect thing from Toyota. As we know, Toyota keeps their car very simple, and this car is also in a very simple design language. Now talking about the side profile of this car, Toyota has really kept the design language very simple as they are known for. The wheels look stunning. These are the 15-inch alloy wheels, diamond cut, and to be mentioned, this car gets disc brake in all the four wheels. Now Toyota has provided a request sensor in this model in which if you have the keys on your hand, you just press a button and the car gets unlocked for you. And with the same thing, you can lock the car too. The backlights are very well integrated into the side profile of the body, which creates a seamless design for this car. Now, at the back, you get the parking sensors as standards in all variable. Now, this is the V model, and it is the model lower than the top variant. And let's now open the boot. This car gets a huge amount of boot space. Now you will be able to see the exact amount, the liters on your screen right now. As you can see, Toyota has provided insulation everywhere, on the top, on the bottom, and the loading lid is also not high, so you don't have to put a huge stress to put your luggages inside. and you can see it gets a spare wheel, which is just a normal one, not a alloy wheel. Now talking about the left profile of this car, here you don't get any request sensor, just only grab handles. The grab handles are really well built, and these are the fully automated electrically foldable ORVMs. Now this you can see that this car gets a dual tone color. These are the colors which are Toyota providing for their customers. So now let's get inside and have a look at the interior of this car. So here we are inside the new Toyota Yaris. As you can see, this gets leather upholstery and a dual tone dashboard. The dashboard gets a very well integrated stitching design on it. And now let's turn it on. So now the car comes alive. So now here we are inside this Toyota Yaris. As you can see, this gets a very nicely leather wrapped steering wheel, where the left side of it gets the controls of the infotainment system, and the right side gets the control for the trip, the back button, and navigation button. And here at the bottom, you get the cruise control. This is the AC, which is fully automated AC, and the controls and the button touches are really very good. Now this is the infotainment system which Toyota is providing. Once again. So now this gets a CD player inside it as well, and it also gets a cool glove box and a space to keep your beverages. It is deep inside, and as you can see, Toyota is providing a first aid kit for their customers, which is very good. But the minus point of this car is it does not get any type of handrest. But the seats are really very comfortable, but you will get it in manual adjusting. The seats are very comfortable, the steering is very light, and here you get a sunglass holder for the co-passenger or the driver. And these are the lights of this vehicle. As you can see, these lights are pretty bright in my opinion, and these are the individual buttons, and these are the sun visor with vanity mirrors. This is the co-passenger sides, and this is the driver sides. Both of them are not having any kind of LED lights, which is a minus point of this car. Talking about the rear view mirror, this is a manual rear view mirror which does not get any kind of auto dimming facilities. But overall, this car is great to sit in and will give you a hell lot of comfort while driving on city, on highways and in cities as well. Now let's go to the back seats and have a look how it feels from there. I'm sitting in the rear seats of the Toyota Yaris. As you can see, I've got plenty amount of headroom. The legroom is very good and a hell lot of knee room. The seats are also scooped out for better comfort for the passengers. The floor is flat, so three people can easily go for long distance trips. And it also gets a handrest, rather an armrest with two cup holders, which is a great touch. And if we talk about the child safety, these seats gets ISOFIX child Isofix options for child seats, which is great, and it gets a 3-point seat belt. Now, talking about the door pockets, you don't get a hell lot of space, but you can easily keep a half a liter bottle here in each of the door pockets. The doors are also a bit leather wrapped, which is very well integrated with the interior colors. Now, here for the rear passengers, you get two 12-volt power sockets, and this is the AC control for the rear passengers. As you can see, this car has some lighting options, and this is the fan speed. And wow, this is the ambient light which you are getting in this car. This car comes live in night time, and throw of the AC is really great, and it's really hot. Now I'll sleep inside. Just joking. So now, just you can adjust the brightness of the lights, which is a great touch from Toyota. And the throw of the AC is really very great. So comfort has been taken care of. So now let's have a look at the engine of this car. So guys, this was all about the new Toyota Yaris. If you liked our video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel PS Motors and hit the bell icon for future updates. And check the description below to know the details about this car according to their variants and price range. And also to know the information about Topsel Toyota EM Bypass, do follow the description box below. You'll find all the details down there. Thank you, signing out.